Hello everybody. Today I'm going to go over my Mark 12 special purpose rifle build. I know it's not the actual Mark 12 SPR, but it's the same profile. So let's go over all the parts used to build it and my overall thoughts. Alright, we'll start from the rear. Buttstock is a B5 Systems SOP mod. It's pretty comfortable, get a pretty good cheek weld on it. The scope is a Vortex Crossfire 2 3-9 power with a Burris pepper mount. The backup iron sights are Troy battle sights. The rear one is the dioptic tritium sight. The front is the HK tritium style. The buffer is a Spikes Tactical T2. The charging handle is a, turn the rifle here. Charging handle is the Gunfighter, BCM Gunfighter, ambidextrous. I think they call it the Mod 44 or something along those lines. The bolt carrier group is a, focus here, a fail 0 nickel boron. The lower parts kit was a kit sold by Spikes Tactical. It's the enhanced one minus the fire control group. So what I love about that parts kit, comes with an ergo grip, a very nice ergo grip. Comes with a Spikes Tactical enhanced trigger guard, aluminum, ambidextrous safety or fire selector. Comes with the KNS Precision anti-rotation locking pins on both sides. And then everything else is pretty much standard to that. What trigger I went with is a Timney drop-in trigger. I think it's a 3-pound trigger, maybe 3.5. I don't remember now, it's been so while. I built this gun about 1.5 years ago. Also on the lower, I have the Magpul bad lever battery assist device. Here's what it looks like. Allows you to lock open the rear, lock the bolt to the rear with one hand, and also release it with your trigger finger, which is very nice. The lower is a Spikes Tactical Zombie, just the one I had at the time. Pretty cool. It's got little crosshairs on the zombie head. Alright, and for the upper, rest of it, it is a BCM KMR 13. Let's see if I can get it focused. KMR 13. It is the original one that's a little bit lighter weight. It's not made of complete aluminum like the one, I think it's the KMR Alpha is what they're selling mostly now. These are hard to come by. The barrel is a Wilson Combat 18-inch match grade barrel. Let's see if I got it underneath of here. Wilson Combat 5.56 chamber, 1 7-inch twist. It's a rifle length gas system, reliable, smooth shooting. And then for the Muzzle, we have a PWS flash hiding compensator. This thing does a very good job of reducing felt recoil. Alright, here I have the gun torn apart. Here's the Timney drop-in trigger. It's such a light trigger with a very fast reset. Alright, so some of the ammo I've had the best accuracy with this gun will be the Remington Premier Match 77 grain Match King boat tail hollow point. These are the rounds right here. You can see it's a hollow point there. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions, let me know. It was a pretty easy build.